So, in our model, we have a styrofoam ball in the middle that represents Earth, and we have a fidget spinner that rotates the Earth, and on the ring, we have a smaller styrofoam ball which represents the moon, and finally, Sari's phone represents the sun, and that's what we have.
Moon phases happen because the sun puts light onto the moon, and because of the moon's shape, the moon casts a shadow on itself. There are 8 basic phases of the moon in total. However, there are only 4 basic ones. These phases are full moon, where we can see the whole moon and it has no shadow facing the earth. Next is quarter, when the moon casts its shadow only halfway, making it seem as if there is only half of the moon. Next is new moon, when, from Earth's perspective, or point of view, the moon is in complete shadow and we cannot see it. And finally, the third quarter. Very similar to the first quarter, but the half shadow the moon casts on itself is faced on the opposite side.
A lunar eclipse is when the Earth is blocking all the sunlight from hitting the moon because of the Earth's shadow. So from the Earth's perspective, you can't see the moon. A lunar eclipse can only happen when the sun and the moon are aligned exactly or very close, and it has to be a full moon. The moon passes directly in the Earth's umbra. The umbra is the darkest part of a shadow, and in this case, the Earth's shadow. The lunar eclipse can be seen everywhere on Earth, and the eclipse also lasts a few hours. The type of an eclipse depends on the moon's location and how close the moon is aligned to the Earth.
Solar eclipses occur when the moon passes between the sun and the Earth while in orbit. From Earth, you can see the moon crossing in front of the sun. The moon blocks more and more of it as it comes around until the sun is completely covered. This part of the solar eclipse, when the sun is completely blocked by the moon, is called a total eclipse, or described as reaching totality. As the moon continues around on its orbit, the sun will slowly become uncovered, returning to its original appearance. This means the end of the eclipse. Solar eclipses only happen every 3 to 6 months, when the moon's orbit lines up with the sun and Earth.